Hi everyone, this is a quick run through of a new digital kit that I've put together. I was asked by a lady to do, who inquired about a bird journal, and so I was looking around at some pictures and I thought, ooh, these would be really nice just to put together. So here we go. They're all sort of late 16th, early 17th century. Couple of different artists in there, and they are all, no, not all. They are predominantly little birds. There are a couple of big ones in there because I like them. So, first page. There are 18 pages in total. 7 of these pages. These are ones that I would use as my main pages for my signatures. But to print out however you want. Of course, they can be resized. They are all sized at 11 by 8. These ones are. That's number 3. And then we have number 4. I was actually thinking garden birds, and then I saw these two, the kite, and I'm not sure what the black one is, but I thought, you know what, I wouldn't mind seeing those in my garden, but I suppose if I saw those, I wouldn't see these little ones. But very majestic. And then we have the oddball, as is normal. A couple of pigeons. Now that I recognise as a wood pigeon. I'm not 100% sure if that's the same thing or not. Either way, I thought, blimey, we have loads of those in our garden, pigeons. And then the crow. Yep, we have a few of those around as well. So that's page 7. Then we have, I've done 2 different lined papers. They've both got the little, like a digital stamp in the corner. So that's the first one. And then number 2, slightly different colour, but one with the robin and some kind of finch. I'm sorry, I'm not very good with the names of birds. And then watermark centres, so I've done 4 pages and I've printed them off on both cream and white. I tend to use cream or ivory paper, but I know a lot of people use white. I do think actually that they stand out perhaps a little better on the white. So that's the first one. And then the second one. These are just for comparison, just so you can see how they look on the different papers. And then chaffinch, perhaps, on that one. I'm sure you ladies can put me right on what birds they are. And the last of the watermark pages. And I've done a sheet of, well, they're almost ATC size, so just over 3.5, just over 2.5 wide, and there's 8 of those. These are what if I put pockets in, these are what I tend to use as pockets. And then we have 1 page of note cards. Excuse me. So 1 page of 3 different note cards to go with envelopes. Now there are 2 different envelopes, so 1 and 2. Oh, let's get those back in shot. 1 and 2. Now these note cards will either fit in straight across like that, so they'll just slide in, or I quite like to fold them in half and then just clip them onto a page. So that's those, and then these actually turned out to be rather jumbo tags. These ones did. So there you go. I did actually put this, I made this kit up in a temper. Our house move has some, our original buyers have pulled out, and we've, lucky enough, sort of bittersweet, we found some new buyers. Unfortunately, they knew the position, so we've had to take quite a hit on the asking price. So I've done it in a temper. I did realise once I'd posted it on Facebook that I got a page where there was the same image on a different page. So on Facebook it shows a different page. On Etsy itself, it shows the correct pages. So if there's any confusion, that's what it's about. So sorry about that. Me and my temper. It can be a killer sometimes. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll put a link to the kit underneath, and I'm going to have a play with this and see what I can come up with in terms of a journal, hopefully for next week. So speak to you all soon. Take care. Bye.